Ever wondered how two simple words can create something entirely new? That's the magic of compound nouns. In this video, we'll unlock their secrets with fun examples like toothbrush, mother-in-law, and bus stop. Let's dive in and practice sentences together. Stick around to start learning now. Compound noun, example sentence. Toothpaste. My little brother thinks toothpaste tastes like candy. Mother-in-law. My mother-in-law always bakes the best cookies. Bus stop. I missed the bus stop because I was daydreaming about pizza. Bookworm. She's such a bookworm. She even reads while brushing her teeth. Firefly. A firefly lit up the dark sky like a tiny lantern. Football. He kicked the football so hard it landed in the neighbor's yard. Ice cream. Who doesn't love ice cream on a hot summer day? Birthday cake. The birthday cake was taller than the birthday boy. Sunflower. The sunflower grew so tall it looked like it was trying to touch the sky. Homework. My homework somehow turned into my dog's dinner. Toothbrush. He bought a blue toothbrush because it matches his favorite shirt. Raincoat. She forgot her raincoat, and of course, it started raining cats and dogs. Snowman. The snowman we built is taller than the neighbor's car. Popcorn. The smell of buttery popcorn makes every movie better. Sunglasses. Don't forget your sunglasses. It's bright enough to blind a snowman out there. Laptop. My laptop always runs out of battery at the worst time. Pancake. The stack of pancakes was as tall as a mountain. Butterfly. A butterfly landed on her nose and she couldn't stop giggling. Playground. The kids ran to the playground like it was Disneyland. Backpack. His backpack is so heavy it could double as a workout. Car wash. The car wash turned my muddy car into a sparkling masterpiece. Skateboard. He fell off his skateboard, but luckily his ego took the worst hit. Bedroom. Her bedroom looks like a tornado just passed through. Waterfall. The waterfall looked like liquid silver cascading down the rocks. Keyboard. My cat thinks my keyboard is her personal pillow. Playground. The playground echoed with laughter and fun. Seafood. I ordered a plate of seafood, and now I feel like I'm eating the ocean. Football field. The football field was so muddy it looked like a swamp. Handbag. Her handbag has everything, even snacks for emergencies. Cheesecake. The cheesecake was so good I considered ordering a second or third. Haircut. He got a new haircut and now looks like a rock star. Strawberry. A strawberry smoothie is my go-to for summer days. Wristwatch. His new wristwatch is so shiny it could double as a mirror. Basketball. She practiced her basketball shots all afternoon. Teacup. The kitten tried to fit into a tiny teacup and got stuck. Bookshelf. My bookshelf is so full, books are starting to stack on the floor. Jellyfish. The jellyfish at the aquarium look like floating ghosts. Classroom. The classroom was buzzing with excitement on the last day of school. Shoelace. His shoelace came untied, and he tripped over it. Classic. Coffee shop. The coffee shop is my favorite spot to work and daydream. Pancake. The first pancake always turns out weird. It's a law of nature. Rainstorm. A sudden rainstorm soaked us on the way home. Seashell. She found a perfect seashell at the beach and called it her treasure. Tablecloth. The fancy tablecloth got stained during the dinner party. Workshop. The pottery workshop was messy but fun. Goldfish. My goldfish seems more interested in floating than swimming. Airport. The airport was so crowded it felt like the whole city was traveling. Handshake. Their first meeting ended with a firm handshake and a smile. Bedroom. His bedroom walls are covered in posters of superheroes. Daydream. She got caught in a daydream during math class. Cupcake. The cupcake frosting was a masterpiece of colors. Toothpick. He used a toothpick to build a miniature Eiffel Tower. Headache. Trying to solve that math problem gave me a headache. Football player. The football player scored the winning goal in overtime. Swimming pool. The swimming pool looked so inviting on the hot day. Mailbox. There was a letter waiting in the mailbox for her. Sunflower. A giant sunflower grew taller than the fence in our backyard. Ice cube. An ice cube slid out of my glass and onto the table. Rock star. He sang with so much confidence, he felt like a rock star. Spaceship. The toy spaceship was the highlight of his birthday gifts. Hot dog. The hot dog stand had a line around the block. Jelly bean. She sorted her jelly beans by color before eating them. Newspaper. Grandpa reads the newspaper every morning with his coffee. Rainbow. A bright rainbow appeared after the rainstorm. Cupcake. My little sister decorated the cupcake with way too much glitter. Smartphone. He forgot his smartphone at home and felt lost all day. Snowflake. Every snowflake is unique, just like you. Candy cane. A candy cane is the best part of holiday decorations. Birdhouse. A tiny sparrow moved into our new birdhouse. Railway. The railway tracks stretched into the horizon. Spotlight. She stepped into the spotlight and gave her best performance. Exercise. Identify the compound nouns. Read the sentences below and underline the compound nouns. The bookstore near my house has the best collection of novels. He accidentally spilled coffee on his laptop during the meeting. We waited at the bus stop for almost an hour. She packed a toothbrush and raincoat for her camping trip. The kids played happily in the playground all afternoon. I used my credit card to pay for the groceries. Congrats on finishing this lesson. Ready to master nouns? Don't stop here. Watch the full playlist to dive deeper into English grammar. Click the link in the description and level up your grammar game now. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Q.L.English Pro. And don't forget to hit the bell for even more exciting lessons coming your way. Take care, keep learning, and see you in the next lesson.